In a bold move that has stirred significant controversy, Texas Governor Greg Abbott is pursuing legal action aimed at ousting a number of Democratic lawmakers who have left the state in an effort to obstruct a proposed redistricting plan. Abbott has filed a lawsuit with the Texas Supreme Court targeting Democratic Representative Gene Wu, whom he has labeled the ringleader of what he describes as a scheme to hijack the governance of Texas. The lawsuit is not just about Wu. Abbott contends that the exodus of over 50 Democratic legislators constitutes an abandonment of their responsibilities, thereby justifying their removal from office. The proposed changes to the congressional map are significant, as they would create 5 additional seats in the U.S. House of Representatives that lean Republican, a crucial factor given the narrow majority held by Republicans in Washington, D.C. Gerrymandering, the practice of redrawing electoral boundaries to benefit a particular political party, has been a contentious issue for both Democrats and Republicans across the nation for many years. Typically, states engage in redistricting every decade, coinciding with the population shifts recorded in the U.S. Census. Texas last updated its congressional districts in 2021, following the 2020 census, and would not normally alter these lines again until the next census in 5 years. Governor Abbott stated, "Texas House Democrats have abandoned their duty to Texans, and there must be consequences for their actions." In Texas, a quorum of at least 2/3 of the 150-member legislative body is required to conduct a vote, a threshold that became unattainable after the Democratic lawmakers vacated the state over the weekend. The lawsuit emphasizes the importance of accountability, arguing that most individuals who consistently fail to report for work face termination. Public officials should be held to the same standard. It requests the Texas Supreme Court to issue a rarely invoked writ of quo warranto, which is a legal mechanism used to challenge an individual's right to hold public office. This legal action follows Abbott's directive that the absent Democrats be arrested and compelled to return to the state legislature to facilitate a vote on the redistricting proposal. During a recent event at the White House, former President Donald Trump suggested that the FBI might need to assist Texas authorities in locating and apprehending the missing lawmakers, stating, "I know they want them back, not only the Attorney General. The governor of Texas is demanding they come back. So a lot of people are demanding they come back." Gene Wu, who serves as the chairman of the Texas House Democratic Caucus, countered Abbott's claims by asserting that his actions to deny a quorum were not an abandonment of his office, but rather a fulfillment of his constitutional oath. He accused Abbott of attempting to silence dissent by removing a duly elected official from office, arguing that his duty is to resist participation in what he views as an unjust process. The lawsuit requests a ruling from the Republican-majority Texas Supreme Court by 5 p.m. local time on Thursday, just 1 day before the House session is set to reconvene. All 9 justices on the court are Republicans, and the Chief Justice previously served as Abbott's general counsel. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, who is pursuing a separate legal action to declare the Democrats' seats vacant, indicated that the legal proceedings could be lengthy and complex. He explained that to remove the lawmakers, individual lawsuits would need to be filed in their respective counties, which could prove challenging given the varying political landscapes of those districts. Democrats have defended their decision to break quorum, with Texas Democrat Ana Maria Rodriguez Ramos stating, "We must utilize every tool available to us to safeguard our democracy." Trump has also encouraged Texas Republicans in their redistricting efforts, claiming, "I received the highest vote in Texas history last year, and we are entitled to 5 more seats." In response to these developments, Democrats across the country are considering retaliatory measures, although they face their own legal challenges. For instance, Democrats in California are looking to redraw their district maps to eliminate 5 Republican seats, but such a plan would require voter approval. Similarly, Democrats in Wisconsin have initiated lawsuits aimed at redistricting, while New York's Democratic governor is also seeking to make changes, which would necessitate an amendment to the state constitution. Republican governors in states like Florida and Missouri have expressed their willingness to engage in redistricting as well, and Ohio Republicans are preparing to create a new map that could potentially eliminate at least 2 Democratic seats ahead of the upcoming midterm elections.